I'm not gonna stay out here long because I'm gonna be driving it in this parking lot here. And now I'm gonna turn on this ESC. And I'm ready to go. It went over a hump there. Hi everyone, this is Keith and welcome to my channel. And if y'all don't know me, y'all can follow me on Instagram at Keith J. Watson. And y'all can see all kinds of posts that I post on there often. I don't post on there a lot because I don't do that stuff, but I post on there often. If y'all want to head over there, y'all can. And y'all can see all kinds of content that I post there. So make sure y'all head over there and check that out. But today, I'm going to be driving the HPI Honda Civic Coupe SI out in the parking lot later today. And I'm going to show y'all a little on how the RC car looks. And I'm going to let y'all look at it now. And here it is, all nice and clean and ready for the drive out in the parking lot. I glued the wheels so they won't come off when I'm driving out in the parking lot. Y'all can see that they're glued. The body looks clean and it's on the Traxxas Fortec 2.0. I have a nickel metal hydride battery for this car that is charged up, and I'm going to put it in this car so that it'll run. And it's not a bad car because it looks clean. I have this Traxxas remote here that controls the car, and I have batteries for it, and I have other batteries to use for this Traxxas remote here. And if these batteries goes out in this remote, I have other spare batteries for this remote too that I can use, and it's good that I have them. But this is the car that I'll be driving out in the parking lot later today here. But I'm gonna do something else here, and when I'm finished with doing something else, I'm gonna get myself ready, and I'm gonna take this car out to the parking lot and drive it out there, and that's where I'm gonna be driving it at. But I'm gonna pause the video here, and I'll be back with y'all in a few minutes here. And I'm back. And it's hot and humid out today, but I'm not gonna stay out here long because I'm gonna be driving it in this parking lot here. But I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna be running in this HPI Honda Civic Coupe SI, and I'm gonna show y'all this now. I'm running a nickel metal hydride battery in this Fortec 2.0, and I got a heat sink on this brushed motor, and this keeps it cool so it won't overheat the motor. And that's what keeps this motor cool, so I won't have any issues with it. And now I'm gonna turn on this ESC. And I'm ready to go. I'm gonna get my GoPro, and I'm gonna be driving this RC car out in the parking lot. this car goes a little fast. It skids a little when you're turning. It skids a little when you're turning corners. I mean when you're turning, it skids a little. See? You're turning. It went over a hump there. But it didn't do no damage to the car. I can't go too fast with this car because it'll lose control if I do. Oh, hi. That was a good run. You guys saw the HPI Honda Civic Coupe SI run out in the parking lot, and it had ran good. until something got stuck in the steering servo, which is the small rocks that I had to get out so it will turn. But it always happens in these Fortec 2.0s. And that's a common issue that they have. But I had got the rocks out and the steering had went straight again. But it had ran good around the parking lot. I didn't had no issues with it. And y'all saw how fast it had ran. But it was fun driving this RC car in the parking lot. Yeah, and I bet y'all had liked seeing the RC car run in this parking lot. But it was a good video for y'all to watch, and y'all had enjoyed it. And I would like to do runs with this RC car again soon here. But it had ran over a few rocks, and it didn't have no issues running over a few rocks. But the small rocks didn't damage the RC car chassis. And that was a good thing. And that was good. And that was good that it didn't. But it ran well. And I'm about to head back to the house because it's humid out here. And I got my water bottle with me so that I have something to drink while it's hot out here. Yeah, I had felt a lot better once I had got a sip of that water. Y'all had saw how fast the RC car had ran while the camera was on the ground, and that was fun for y'all to watch too. But I'm gonna end the video here, and if you like this video, make sure you comment and subscribe and turn on those notifications so you won't miss an upcoming upload. And if y'all haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure y'all subscribe and click that notification bell. But anyways, that's all for today, and thanks for watching.